In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop components. Microsoft Loop is a powerful tool designed to enhance collaboration and productivity across various Microsoft 365 applications. Whether you're sending an email, scheduling a meeting, or simply collaborating on a document, Loop components can bring your team's information and ideas together seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore how to make the best use of these components. To begin, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This can be done easily by typing Microsoft Loop into your browser's search bar. Upon searching, you should find the link to the Microsoft Loop homepage at the top of the results. Click on this link to access the platform. If you haven't used Microsoft Loop before, you'll need to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account credentials to do so. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the prompts on the sign-in page. Once you're logged in, let's see how Loop components integrate with Outlook. Open up Outlook and start either a new email or calendar item. Head over to the Insert tab in the menu ribbon at the top. Here, you'll find the option labeled Loop Components. Click on this, and you'll see a variety of component types you can choose from. Options here might include lists, tables, or a brainstorming board, among others. Select the type of component that suits your task or communication need. After choosing a component, it's time to fill it with your content. For example, if you chose a table, you might start by adding rows and columns to represent different tasks and team members. Remember, the beauty of Loop is that your colleagues can view and edit these components directly if they're shared with them. It really enhances collaborative efforts, allowing everyone to stay updated and contribute efficiently. If for some reason the Loop feature doesn't appear in your Outlook, there's an alternative way to collaborate using Loop components. That's by sharing the link to the component. You can copy the component link and paste it into a Teams chat or share it on other platforms you use to communicate with your team. Once shared, your colleagues can access the component through the link, allowing them to view and, if you've given permission, edit it together. That's all there is to it. By using Microsoft Loop components, you're setting yourself and your team up for a more cohesive and dynamic working environment. It simplifies the process of sharing and collaborating on information, making sure everyone stays on the same page without the hassle of constant updates and attachments. So go ahead, try adding a Loop component to your next email or meeting invite and experience the difference in collaboration today.